Hello everyone. We are Matakadara Pomegranates from Sri Lanka. We are the only pomegranate manufacturing company in Sri Lanka. We are going to show you how we manufacture pomegranate seed oil from the pomegranate seed. I have dehydrated pomegranate seeds on my hand. These seeds are taken roughly around 80 kilograms of pomegranate. Look at these. These are dried in dehydrated machines. We don't do sun drying as it could make contaminations. This pomegranate variety is Red Angel. This is a cold press oil extraction machine. This is how we should put pomegranate seeds into the machine. Through the cold press system, the oil is accumulated into the bucket below. It's not a quick process. It takes a long time. Patience is the key here. This oil is very expensive, so it's worth waiting for. Leftovers are fallen into the bucket here. Now we have taken oil into the cup. Now we are going to give some rest to the machine. Look at this golden color beautiful pomegranate seed oil. Now we are going to fill this beautiful pomegranate seed oil into the bottles. We have named our pomegranate seed oil as Grenade Gold Oil. Pomegranate seed oil is very well known as one of the best anti-aging oils in the world. This oil contains punic acids, omega-6 fatty acids, and vitamin C. It also contains a lot of antioxidants. People who like to use natural oils for their skincare routine use pomegranate seed oil as an anti-aging treatment. Pomegranate seed oil helps to remove fine lines and wrinkles in the skin. Without a doubt, pomegranate seed oil is one of the best anti-aging oils in the world. For the first time in Sri Lanka, we, Matakadara Pomegranates, manufacture this oil in Sri Lanka. Our factory is GMP certified factory. Hence, we maintain edible grade quality in this production. This is cold press pure pomegranate seed oil. If you are a cosmetic product manufacturer in Sri Lanka and you are searching for pomegranate seed oil in the best quality, you can purchase this product from us. In the future, we hope to export this product out of the country and to bring dollars into our country. If you are watching this video from any other country and you want to find best quality pomegranate seed oil cold pressed, you can contact us. Thank you so much. My name is Asika Samarasekara, Chief Executive Officer, Matakadara Pomegranates.